So most of you are probably wondering, what gadgets do I use when I create my content, when I work, when I interview and travel? So today I will share with you all of the tips and gadgets that I use to make it super convenient and create beautiful content for your quality experience. Tip number one. So I just got this bad boy and it is the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. And I really like this because it is an alternative to my tripod. My tripod, I brought it to an event recently and it's around, it's under 5 pounds, but it was very troublesome because I had to carry it around. It's kind of heavy, it's bulky. It would make my backpack sag this way, which caused like a back pain on my right shoulder. It was just very inconvenient and nobody has time for that. So today I decided to keep it lightweight because I will be traveling with my wife to Europe and we will be sharing that content, but I need to figure out the fastest, easiest way to travel lightly, conveniently, and I just want to take out my camera and record. And the best thing to do that is with the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. And of course, you're probably wondering, hey Zen, where did you get your Osmo Mobile 3 combo? Well, sorry DJI website brand, I did not get it there. I like to get a discount, so go to Facebook Marketplace because there's a lot of people selling the Osmo Mobile 3 combo at maybe 25% off, and that's exactly how much I got this for, $75 in lieu of 100 and something change. Here are some of its cool features. Number one is I can actually track myself. So as you can see, I'm running around and you actually have a great idea of my space now. You didn't have that in the past because I was kind of having an undynamic medium shot with my DSLR and I couldn't move around like with my tripod because I'm constantly shooting myself. Another feature that I like about this Osmo Mobile 3 combo is I can quickly convert its dimensions from the vertical videos, great for TikTok. By converting it horizontally, now I have a wide view of my angles. And now, as you can see, I'm walking around using my tracking and that was pretty much automatic. And I'm going down here, I'm going up. Yeah, I really like that. It's also a selfie stick, right? So I could just quickly pick it up and it has a very smart stabilizer, as you can see, and I can walk around quickly and easily. So I'm walking pretty fast now. Whereas before I would take long strides in order for you to not feel that also known as a shockwave. Another feature I like about the gimbal is with the selfie stick, I could zoom in and zoom out. So in order to do that, I need to change the camera view from a selfie view to a POV, point of view. So let me do that now. So there is my point of view and I could quickly zoom in and zoom out. Hi. I'm gonna go ahead and track my subject. So that's what I'm doing now, tracking my subject, and I can move around her so that she remains at the center of my view. So here are just a few examples of the shots that I took in San Francisco. And as you can see, the quality is pretty high. Okay, so I have to admit, I did not use gimbal for these shots. However, what I had to do is lock my arms near my body and move slowly, tippy-toe, with my mobile phone. And if you have an Apple iWatch, you can use it as monitor to record yourself if you have no other person to help you out. Another simple trick you could use is the walking shot to pan up into a subject, cut into a flower, and then do a nice cutaway blowing it out. You can also pan to the right as an option into some nice transitions, or pan up to show that you are working. And I want you to follow me. Come on, come on, come this way, come, lower, lower, lower. Good, good. That's exactly where I want you. Perfect. So the thing that I do not use anymore is the GoPro. Most of you are probably familiar with this. What I don't like about it is the stabilization. Most of my videos look sporty, which is good, but I'm not doing sporty shots most of the time. I like to create documentary style videos, and a really good camera that I purchased a while back is called an Insta360. This has a really good software in it. It has its own stabilization, and this stick right here, yes, it does make you look like a tourist because you're constantly walking around with the selfie stick, but hey, you know, it is what it is. Most of the videos that I shoot in the past has a selfie stick connected to it. With this particular gadget, the stick disappears, so it looks like the video camera man is following me from behind or from the front, which I really like. And you can pan up and pan down, pan sideways. It's just very, very convenient. And also it weighs around maybe 1.5 to 2 pounds. Let's move here this time. Come, come, come. My DSLR. I'm still debating if I'm gonna bring it or not because this iPhone is blowing my mind. It can do the bokeh. It is similar to DSLR. It is algorithm based, so it does it automatically. I have to wonder, should I carry this around with me, which is kind of delicate, I don't want to mess it up, or should I just use my iPhone and this Insta360? So, yes. Oh, she's saying yes, so let's see who said yes, and let's ask her why. Let's do a quick interview. Everybody say hi to Char Elise. There she is. Why do you think I should bring this camera? Because I love this camera.
Because this is giant, bulky, and I can just imagine you getting pickpocketed for this. It's freaking huge.
But this can get pickpocketed.
This can be in my purse when not used.
True, it can fit your
This cannot fit in my purse. It's bigger than my purse, so...
This can fit in my backpack, but...
And then she's gonna complain that her back hurts, and I don't want to deal with it on vacation, so...
That's
everyone
true.
Vote this.
Okay, so vote for what gadget should I bring to Europe? This Insta360 or a DSLR? Comment below. Hello, can you track me too?